Welcome to the Explainer, everyone. Okay, so today we're diving into something you've literally been hearing about everywhere, AI automation. We're going to unpack this skill guide to make AI actually practical for your everyday career and business growth. And a big shout out to JobSwami HR Solution for the insights driving this today. Let's get right into it.
So, first up, is AI automation just way too technical? I mean, let's be real. When a lot of us hear words like AI and automation, our brains instantly jump to complicated coding, massive server rooms, and matrix-level stuff. But here's the thing. The reality is actually so much more accessible than all those intimidating buzzwords make it seem. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our quick roadmap. 1. What exactly is AI automation? 2. Everyday automation. 3. Its impact on the office and business. 4. No-code careers. And 5. A quick beginner roadmap. All right, Section 1. What is AI automation? Let's demystify this real quick.
At its absolute core, it really just means using smart systems to do the boring, repetitive tasks automatically. Think about it. Instead of you sitting there manually sorting through 50 different customer emails, the system just reads, categorizes, and even drafts the replies for you instantly. And it's not like the old days where machines just followed super rigid rules. Now, they're actually making basic decisions and triggering actions. It literally saves you hours of mind-numbing busy work.
Now, what's really interesting about this breakdown right here is how clearly it shows the contrast. I mean, it is night and day. Manual work, we all know it's slow, it's incredibly repetitive, and it totally drains your energy. But AI automation is lightning fast, it's highly scalable, and infinitely efficient. It's basically an immediate upgrade for your workflow, letting you do so much more without burning yourself out. Moving right along, Section 2, Everyday Automation.
Spoiler alert, you're actually already an automation expert. Seriously, think about YouTube recommending your next binge watch, or Google Maps automatically rerouting you around that sudden traffic jam, or even just your Instagram feed and those quick WhatsApp auto-replies. AI is already operating quietly in the background of your life, making everything smoother. You are already super comfortable with this tech right there in your pocket, so bringing it into your career, that's really just the next logical step.
Which brings us to Section 3, Office and Business Impact. Let's look at how this changes the workplace.
So, this exact same personal convenience is completely revolutionizing the corporate world right now. I mean, HR departments are using AI for that initial resume screening, customer service, they're relying heavily on chatbots for the frontline stuff, finance is running on auto-billing systems, and marketing teams are deploying automated lead generation tools. This is a massive superpower, especially for small businesses. It lets them scale up without needing some astronomical budget, and it shifts employees away from doing the manual grunt work so they can focus on high-level strategy.
Now let's tackle the elephant in the room. Is AI replacing human jobs? Well, the answer is a bit nuanced. Look at chatbots, for example. AI is absolutely perfect for handling those high-volume, basic queries, or taking standard orders. But complex problem-solving, empathy, nuanced, real support, that still 100% needs a human. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to clear our plates so we can focus on those truly meaningful human interactions. Okay, moving on to Section 4, No-Code Careers. The job market right now is absolutely exploding with these incredibly lucrative, high-demand roles. We're talking AI automation specialists, prompt engineers, workflow experts, data analysts, and no-code developers. And honestly, the absolute best part about all of this, you don't even need a traditional computer science degree to land these gigs. Mastering automation just makes you a highly valuable, totally future-proof asset no matter what industry you're in.
And this brilliantly illustrates why that barrier to entry has practically vanished. It's all because of no-code platforms like Zapier, Make.com, ChatGPT workflows, and Notion AI. Seriously, instead of writing complex lines of code, you literally just drag and drop elements on a screen to build these powerful workflows. Basically, if you know how to navigate a smartphone, you already have the technical foundation you need to connect these apps and automate your day.
All right, let's wrap things up with Section 5, our beginner roadmap.
So the real secret to mastering this stuff without getting totally overwhelmed is just taking it step by step. Step 1, just learn the basic AI concepts and, importantly, their limitations. Step 2, choose just one automation tool, maybe something like Zapier, and just ignore the rest for now. You don't need to know them all right away. And Step 3, build small, practical projects. Automate your personal budget or set up a clever email auto-reply. Just start small, get that quick win, and watch your confidence compound.
And hey,
You really don't have to figure all of this out on your own. Resources out there, like the JobSwami HR solution, serve as a totally dedicated hub for this. They break down the jobs, the AI tools, the interview prep, all in super simple language, just to make sure you stay completely future-ready. I want to leave you with this thought. AI automation is not destroying jobs. It is making work smarter. You really aren't competing against the machine here. You're actually using the machine to elevate your own capabilities. At the end of the day, the folks who adapt are definitely going to be the ones who lead. So, are you ready to start building those skills today? If you found this explainer helpful, definitely make sure to check out the JobSwami HR solution for more of these vital career growth insights. But before you go, I want you to ask yourself something. What is that one incredibly boring, repetitive task you are going to hand over to a machine tomorrow morning? Think about it. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and keep learning.